Hello and welcome to this how to help video on finding the percentage of an amount. So before I show you the method, let me just tell you why I love this method, because I do love this method. Unlike other methods that feel a bit easier when you first see them, it doesn't break down. It works no matter how tricky the questions get. It's absolutely brilliant. The other reason I love it is because the first step, which is a rewrite of the question, gets you a mark. 9 times out of 10, it gets you a mark, which is brilliant. We want to be picking up those marks whenever and wherever we can. So let's have a little look at this method. So let's say I wanted to find 20% of, let's say 37. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is the rewrite. Okay, now percent, this here means out of 100. So I'm going to write 20 out of 100 instead of using that percent sign. Of, in maths, means times. So I'm going to write times. And then I've got my 37. And that, just writing that down, can get you a mark. It's absolutely brilliant. You haven't even done any maths yet and you picked up a mark. So it's really, really great. Now let's pop that over there, give us some space. So the method itself is to divide by the bottom and times by the top, or times by the top, divide by the bottom. You can do it in whichever order you like, these types of questions. Now I'm going to do the timesing first, because what that's going to do is keep me in whole numbers, which will just make the maths easier to work with. So my first step is to times along the top. So 20 times 37. Now this one's fairly straightforward because I've got this 0. When you've got a 0, you can just ignore it. So I'm going to forget it's there, and I'm just going to say 2 times 37. 2 times 37 is 74. And then I remember I ignored that 0 and I pop it on the end. So I've got 20 times 37 equals 740. So 740 is then divided by the bottom. It's always divided by 100. And those 2 zeros mean, because it's a whole number, I can just come in 2 places and I've got 7.40. Question: do I need the 0? No. It's not going to be the end of the world if I don't realize that and I leave it in my answer. I'm still going to get my marks, but always check that answer and make sure it's neat and tidy as you can make it. And that is it. Times along the top, divide by the bottom. It is really that simple, and you do that on any question you are given. So let me show you it on a harder question, just to prove that it really does work no matter what. So let's do 23% of 112. I'm going to do my rewrite because that is going to get me a mark. This is a habit you want to get into, all right? So now I've got that. It's showing me the maths that I have to do. Okay, I'm going to times by the top, so 23 times 112. And this is where you apply whatever long multiplication method you have. So I'm going to use the Chinese method. Let me just move it over there. And I'm going to do, let's get my pen, 23 and 112. 1 times 3 is 3, and again, and 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And let's add these. And I've got my answer. 23 times 112 is 2,576. Now, if you don't have that long multiplication secure, you can follow the link that I've added in the description to the how-to video on this method. And that just goes a little bit slower, breaks it down, and shows you sort of how to pull the whole thing together. This is definitely the go-to if you don't already have a secure method. Once it clicks, it's so easy. Honestly, all my students, once they've had a chance to practice that, they just use it. They just go to that and they just use it. All right, let's finish this off. We've got the answer 2,576. We've got to divide by the bottom, so divide by 100 in 2 places, 25.76. Done. So it really is an absolutely fabulous, fabulous method. So I hope you found this how-to video helpful. If you like what you've seen today and you want to see more, then please subscribe. And as I say, if you want to check in with that Chinese method, follow the link in the description.